What's up, fam? How you guys doing? Welcome again to Ortiz Garage. Today I'm doing my neighbor's car. It's 1995 Nissan Sentra. This one right here, the green one. She got pulled over, get a fixing ticket because the brake light are not working. So I checked, the light bulbs are burned out. So when I changed the light bulbs, all of the bulbs are burned out. I changed and it's still not working, so my next step is to check the brake light switch. So I already get the parts. The parts is right here, and here's the part number. I get it from Orielly. It's right here, but I'm gonna put the link in description to description later on once I'm done. Actually, I take it off the connectors from the brake light switch and then put the new parts and then play around with the button. So now it's all working, but I'm gonna show you how it works and how I'm gonna show you how it's how to install. Okay, it's easy. On the driver's side, it's so I got the funnel right here. So basically there's a funnel here. Take it off so you have more access. It's right here, guys. These are the connectors right here, and then the brake light switch is right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off this one so I have access to that. I think that is 12 or 14. Okay, and this is the brake light switch right here, and I'm gonna show it to you how it works. Or what about before I put it in, just to make sure this one is working. Okay, so there's only two prongs right here. I think that is, one is the positive, one is the ground. So how to check if that one is working? Make sure you put it on the continuity on the multimeter. So right now you just put one, both sides will work. And then put this one, put one. Come on. All right. So put one here. See that? Every time you press it, there's no sound. So when you take it up, there's when you don't press it, there's a sound. When you don't press it, there's sound. Okay, see that? Now I'm pressing it. It's like your brakes. Taking up the brake pedal, you have sound. Pressing the brake again. Now the circuits are complete. Oh no! Yeah, here you go. Okay. So this one is good, and then I'm gonna check the other one, the one that is on the car. Taking off the bracket. Sorry, I don't have a lot of space. Okay, that. I don't know if I can get to that. Let's see. Oh, I see. It's the whole steering. So I don't have to be a tight spot. I hope you guys can see it. Okay. It's the, I think the nut, the jump nut are 14. Get my wrench. Trying to get you the skinny one because I don't have a lot of space here, and I'm a big guy. Okay. What I'm gonna do. Okay. I already break loose. I'm gonna get the angle one. Get my angle wrench. Hopefully this thing works. Okay. I don't know why I cannot get through this. Alright guys, so on here there's a small bar right here, that piece right here, so you can swing it. So from the back you have a little bit of space down here if you have like mini wrench. It's 14 for the nut jump. Okay. Okay, so sorry, I'm big, I'm cramped over here. So what you do, just let's see. Trying to, once you loosen the nut, that's it. You don't need to do anything. Once you loosen the nut, because right now the nut are loose, and then you can turn the brake light switch. And then here my problem here, I did not mark it how long it is, but you see this, you see the difference. This is like, you know, the color, and then these are clean. So I'm just gonna go from that, okay, and then mark it from the original, the newer one. See that I gonna mark it how far I can screw it down. Okay, so here's the difference. So I'm gonna mark it how far it goes on here. So half. See that? I'm just gonna mark it here. Okay, I'm gonna mark it. Or you can just like count the threads. Okay, that's it. And I call this fix after this, and then test it, of course. All right, should be good. Thread it in. So the hose is right here. That one right there. For where you put your brake light switch. Need some lights. Thread it in first. Course, and then you have to check it too on the bottom. Okay, that's good enough. And then thread it in the nut. Thread in the nuts right there. I know it's really tight, just I did the best I can. guys, you don't have to be super tight with the nut right here, because it's not going anywhere as long as it's very snug, or just slight tight. That's good enough, because it's not moving, because it's basically threaded in. So now put the connectors, and then that's good, and then test it out. Okay. Alright guys, so put the bracket right here. That give me access. Okay. Alright, so everything good. Put that part, and it should be good. There's that piece right here. Give you some space. Put this two nut right here. I thought it's gonna help me, but it's not, because that one is for the steering column. Okay. And it's 12. The other one are 10. The bracket. Okay. And then hide this one, and then put the panel right here, and then we should be all right. So here, put it in, and then put the screw, two screws, and we're done. Fix. Then bring it to the neighbor and get paid. This is basically, it's easy job. It's just like, because it's big, I'm big, and it's a tight spot. It's giving me a hard time, especially on the bottom. Okay, then all the panels. That's good. It should be good. And then I'm gonna let you see the other one, the old parts here, old parts right here. And also, because they have a fixing ticket, I changed the high mount, or the third brake light. Okay, do it again, same thing. I'm gonna give that to the customers. Okay, just make sure get the on the continuity. Alright, you hear that? Okay. Alright, so now I hear the continuity. See, that is giving me a hard time. It's like it's on and off. So this one is still original, I think, for 1995, or maybe sometime they get changed. So it's better just to change it, okay? Because sometimes this part right here, the spring-loaded button, or get worn out because you keep pressing the brakes, and you know, it's always cheap. It's only like 16 bucks. All right, so I hope, guys, it helped you a lot. It's a good weather. I'm sweating, man. So I think that's it. I call it a repair and give it to the customer. All right, guys. So thank you again for your support. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys soon with the new content. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so you get updated and connected with a new video. All right, guys. Have a good day.